Hello, this is Vicky from CompanySync.io and welcome to another tutorial. Today we'll be exploring the subscription widget, a powerful tool designed to streamline the management of subscription services. From tracking customer subscriptions to setting up billing plans, this widget ensures your business processes are efficient and organized. Let's take a closer look at its features. The subscription summary. The dashboard provides a comprehensive summary or overview of all your active subscriptions. Here are the key details you can access. You have the customer name, subscription name, project name, status. Then we have the next billing cycle, date subscribed, and last sent details. That includes invoices or reminders. This summary is designed to help you keep track of billing cycles, subscription activity, and important follow-ups all in one place. To create a new subscription, simply click the New Subscription tab. Here's what to input. You have billing plan, first billing date, subscription name, and brief description. I don't have any specific example at the moment, but it's very simple. All you have to do is to add information of the things that you want, especially if you have offers to your clients, then the billing plan can be included here. There's also quantity, and then there's the first billing date, depending on your discussion. You have subscription name, say for example, monthly invoicing. It is just an example again. So it really depends on the type of service you're offering. And then you click on the customer name, currency, automatically or by default it's in USD. And then if it has tax or no tax. And then you can input also terms and conditions. You can include description in invoices. Choose whether to display the description in inboxes by checking or unchecking the box, this one. The customer details, you have to input the information as accurate as possible. And then the terms and conditions, any terms or policies to be presented to the customer prior to subscribing. Lastly, the API key needs to be configured for full functionality. If you're unsure how to set this up, please contact our system or your system admin or CRM team for assistance. The benefits of the subscription widget includes organized management as well as customizable features. You can tailor billing plans, terms, and subscription details to meet customer requirements. There's also automated efficiency. This simplifies billing and renewals, saving time and reducing errors. You can also improve customer relationships because of transparency and clear subscription. You can foster trust and satisfaction. That concludes our walkthrough of the subscription widget. This tool empowers your business to manage subscriptions effectively, ensuring smooth operations and improved customer experiences. Should you need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to your system admin or CRM support team. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I'm Vicky from CompanySync.io, and I look forward to guiding you through more features in our next session.